Hi, today I'm with me OPPO A16S and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and after that scroll and tap to the personalizations. Here you'll see the wallpaper section, tap here once and after that you'll see here the album section. So here you can find all the photos previously taken on your device camera or downloaded, for example, from the internet. Let's go back. Here we can see the just default wallpapers and the online one. For example, let's use one from these default wallpapers. Then just tap to apply and select just lock screen. After that, just wait a second. And now let's just check it. And we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just slide it at the same time to the center or just hold for a while the home screen, and on the left hand corner you'll see wallpaper icon. Just click here once and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers, select apply, click to lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.